5 Best Floor Exercises to Build a Celebrity-like Lean Physique. Get lean and sculpted. If you're struggling to shed excess body fat and desire a lean, celebrity-esque physique, incorporating floor exercises into your fitness routine might be the answer. These equipment-free workouts not only burn calories and promote healthy weight control but also enhance bone strength, immunity, and overall wellness. Although you may feel weary at first, these traditional exercises can also improve your mood. So, grab a yoga mat and some daily inspiration, and start sculpting a body like your favorite toned and resilient star. 1. Push-ups. Although push-ups mainly focus on the chest and triceps, they engage various muscles in your body. To perform this exercise, begin on all fours with your hands positioned just outside shoulder width. Next, extend both legs to align with your back. Lower your body towards the floor while ensuring your elbows form 90-degree angles. Finally, push yourself back up to the starting position while keeping your core activated. Repeat as many times as you can and gradually increase the number of sets and repetitions each week. 2. Lunges. The primary muscles worked during lunges are the large muscles in the legs and buttocks. To perform a forward lunge, begin by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Take a big step forward with one leg and lower the back leg into a lunge position. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Repeat the exercise as many times as you can without overexerting yourself, especially if you're new to this workout. Gradually increase the number of repetitions to avoid injury. 3. Planks. Keeping a plank position for 30 to 60 seconds can be a beneficial method to test your core strength. To execute a full plank, start in the push-up position and then lower yourself onto your forearms to create a forearm plank. Make sure to maintain a solid core and a neutral spine throughout the duration of the exercise. Avoid raising your hips or letting your waist sag during the plank hold. 4. Mountain climbers. Incorporating mountain climbers into your floor workout is an effective way to incorporate some cardiovascular exercise. Begin in a high plank position and bring your right knee towards your torso before returning it to the starting position. Then, bring your left knee towards your torso and continue to alternate between legs. Adjust the pace of the exercise to suit your fitness level. 5. Donkey kicks. Glute kickbacks are effective in strengthening and toning the major muscles in your buttocks. To begin, get down on all fours with your knees under your hips and your hands beneath your shoulders. Keep your neck in a neutral position, your back straight, and your core engaged, while extending your arms. Lift your right leg slightly off the ground and swing it backward, lifting the sole of your foot towards the sky. Lower your right knee back down to the floor and repeat the same motion with your left leg. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.